Unit 7. At the Olympic Games, many events have several rounds of competition. One of these events is the men's 100-meter backstroke. The upper dot shows the amount of times the top 8 finishers in the final round of the 2012 Olympics. The lower plot shows the times of the same 8 swimmers in the semifinal round. What can be gathered from these data? Look at the averages. Yeah. Tina rides. Least likely to most likely. So the least likely is going to be Tina's first. The second one is Tony is first, so that's 10%. And Theo is most likely. So Theo, Tony, Tina. The high achievers determined that 50% of them were... Oh, it's a school. High achievers charter school. Determined that 50% of them are below grade level. Which of these conclusions is valid? So they have a test to all students. So the following data plot shows how many pets each customer owned before entering Jeremy's pet store. Each shot represents one customer. Based on the data, what is a reasonable estimate of the probability that the next customer to enter Jerry's pet store will exactly have 3 pets? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, 3 over 13. So it's 23%-ish. Here we go. Make your own dish night. 5 types of pasta, 4 sauces. 5 types of pasta. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 sauces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tomato. Diagram A looks good. I don't see the difference between the two. This one has fettuccine. Diagram A. Fettuccine must be a pasta and meat sauce must be a sauce. The diagram must be right. Diagram B. So these are all sauces. It says in the name. Meat sauce. So only B. Ming has 52 decks. 52 card deck. Standard 52 card deck has 4 suits and equal number of cards in each suit. She's going to randomly select a card from the deck 300 times, putting the card back in the deck after each draw. Complete the following statement with the best prediction. So if we have 52 cards, so 52 divided by 4, you have 13 cards in each deck. So that's 13 times 3, so 39 over 52, something other than a heart. Now we're going to multiply that by 52, multiply that times 300, so 0.75, so 75% of the chance. It's probably going to be around 225 times. Yeah. Irina, Avi, Vlad are going on a road trip. The following table shows an incomplete probability model for who will be driving during the given kilometer. What's the probability that Ava will be driving during any given kilometer? So these are all eighth. So we have 1/8 plus 3/8 plus 1/8 again plus x eighths, or x, is equal to 1. So I'm going to just make it into eighths because that's easy. So we have 5 over 8 plus x over 8 equals 1. So that has to be, if we subtract 5/8 on both sides, we get x eighths to the 3/8. So x is equal to 3/8. 3/8. There we go. Thank you. A group is randomly selected. Throng quarantine citizens were asked to pick their favorite genre of music. The table below shows the results of the survey. There are 2,006 Throne country citizens. Based on the data, what is the most reasonable estimate for the number of Throne country citizens whose favorite genre of music is rock? So we have a sample. Okay. So we have, sum all of these up and then use that percentage and multiply that times 2006 of the citizens. So we have 25 plus 38 plus 11 plus 6 is 80. 80, and then rock, favorite music is rock. So we have 38 divided by 80. And we're going to multiply that. That's 47.5%. Multiply that times 2006. It's close to 900. James lives in San Francisco, bless his heart, and works in Mountain View. In the morning, he has 3 transportation options, and in the evening, he has the same 3 transportation options. If he randomly chooses his ride in the morning and the evening, what's the probability that he'll take the same mode of transportation twice? So there's 1/3% chance he'll get a bus, cab, or train, and they're going to multiply that times and then we're going to find out, we'll just do 1 and 1. So we'll have a bus, and he'll do a bus, which will be 1/3 times 1/3. And multiply this times 3, because there's 3 options. He goes bus, bus, cab, cab, or train, train. So that's 3 times 1/3 times 1/3, and we can cancel out 1/3s. So 1 times 1/3, and we get 1/3. 1/3. Good job. Julius is going to have a multi-course meal before they stab him. The following table shows how many different dishes are offered in each course. How many different meal combinations does Julius have to choose from? So we have 3 times 4 times 3. 36. That's reasonable. Oh. 75%. Let's go. See you next time.